Hello everyone, here welcome back. I hope you are doing super great. In today's video we are cooking rice and beans with chicken stew. So guys, I'm not going to say much because looking at this food alone, they are already speaking for themselves. And if you like to know how I made this, please keep watching. So let the cooking begins. In an empty pot I will add in black eye beans, follow with water. Then I'll parboil this for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse and drain. After that, I'll transfer it back into the pot. Then add in some water and onions. Then cover to cook for another 10 minutes. Remember to check your beans frequently. You don't want it to be overcooked because you are not cooking just beans. Then right now the beans is ready just the way I want it. Now I will go ahead to remove the onions. Then add in the washed rice. Follow with salt. Add in more water. Then give it a quick mix and cover to cook until they are ready. What I will do now, we have to move the pot to the other side while I make the stew. Next, I will add already washed chicken into the pot. Then season with chicken seasoning powder, some salt, grated garlic and ginger, some curry powder, thyme, oregano, some chopped onions and Scotch bonnet pepper. I will give it a quick mix, then cover to steam for 8 minutes. I'm not adding any water now, so I will just cover it to steam. So after 8 minutes, at this point I will go ahead to add in some water and then cover to continue cooking. In here I've got some onions, red bell pepper, fresh tomatoes and Scotch bonnet pepper. So I will tell you as we go why I'm using this much pepper. So right now the chicken is ready. I cook it for another 15 minutes. I will just remove it from heat and keep it aside. In an empty pot I will add in vegetable oil, follow with some chopped onions, some garlic powder, ginger powder, curry powder, dry thyme and bay leaf. Then I'll fry this for about 3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes I'll go ahead to add in tomato paste. Then fry this until it is perfectly fried. You know me now. If you have been following my content creating or my videos, you know how we do it, how I fry my tomato paste. This is how I normally do it. Because of that, I will share the link of my stews recipes under this video. So next I will add in the blended minced peppers. Then give it a quick mix. And I will cover it a bit to boil down excess liquid. Next we are going to check on the rice and beans. So guys, this rice and beans is done. So you can see it's not sticky at all. This is actually how I want it. So I'm just going to remove it from the heat and keep it aside. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. And to my old and new subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you all so much for your time. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Next, I'm going to add in the chicken stock or the chicken broth. Then you give it a taste before adding your seasoning cube and salt. So you want everything to relate to. We don't want any, oh no. So you see this too, it splashes everywhere. You can even see it. So next I'm going to add in the chicken And this is the reason why I use much pepper, because of the chicken. I did not fry it. So I'm going to leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes, then chicken stew will be ready. So right now guys, the chicken stew is ready. If you have watched this video to this point, thank you so much for staying tuned. Please click the like button. Click the like button guys. That is how I will know you enjoy this recipe. Please do that. Thank you. So next we are going to do small mogbad, a bit mogbad. The mogbad, how do they call it? I don't I can't pronounce it very well. So I'm going to you are going to watch me eat. So let's eat guys. So what is your favorite part of chicken guys? So you see these two that I just served. So oh my god, these are my favorite part of chicken. I love it. Don't even drag it with me. Guys, this food, this stew, oh my god, it's so on point. It's very delicious. Very delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to like, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment. Subscribe if you have not yet. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay blessed.